And now I am going to explain about kinds of social disorganization. There are various kinds of social disorganization. Social disorganization means undisciplined society, undisciplined social system. Understand? Understand? Social disorganization takes several forms. It starts from the individuals and goes up to the entire nation. Understand? Social disorganization starts from the individuals and goes up to the entire nation. Understand? Point number one, personal disorganization. It means disorganization in personal life. Understand? Such as child delinquency. That means crime occurs by child. Addiction to intoxicants, suicide, etc. These all are the including personal disorganization. Understand? Point two, family disorganization. That means disturbance of family. Social disorganization has affected the family life. Social disorganization also affected the family life. It results into discontented relations between husband and wife and other members of the family. Understand? It exhibits in the form of indiscipline. Understand? Social disorganization also exhibits in the form of indiscipline, family tension, divorce, separations, and other marital and family problems. Understand? This is the family disorganization. Understand? Family disorganization occurs in between family, mostly in between husbands and wife. Point 3, community disorganization. When the social disorganization affect the entire community or society, it is termed as community disorganizations. When the social disorganization affects the entire community or society, then it is termed as community disorganization. Unemployment, poverty, political corruption, crimes, casteism are example of community disorganization. Understand? Now, international disorganization. Social disorganization also affects the whole international structure. It also affects the whole international structure. As a result of disorganization in the field of international world, wars, revolutions, dictatorship, imperialism, etc. come into existence. Understand? These all are the international disorganization. Now, to remove or remedies of social disorganization. Some remedies of social disorganization. Point number one, reforms of educational system. It is necessary to have proper educational system and it would require its reform at every stage. Understand? Proper educational system reform the social disorganization. Point 2, end of unemployment and poverty. Unemployment poverty leads to several types of crimes. Understand? Because of unemployment and poverty, there are several types of crimes occurs day by day that are responsible for social disorganization. So a country should initiate the end of unemployment and poverty problem. Point 3, minimize the religious, linguistic and group conflicts. It is necessary to minimize and lessen the difference that exists between different groups on the basis of religion, language, etc. Understand? We have to minimize the religious, linguistics and group conflicts between us. Understand? Point 4, development of new social values and attitudes. When the society acquires new values and attitudes, they should be allowed to have proper atmosphere for development. Understand? When a society acquires new values and attitudes in between their society, they should be allowed to have proper atmosphere for development. Point 5, regulated and planned industrialization. In order to save the society from disintegrating and getting it organized, it is necessary to have regulated development of industry. Understand? To regulate and develop a society and organize a society, then government should have to plan various industrial development. Understand? This is all about remedies of social disorganization. Now, what is social problems? Social problems are the conditions threatening the well-being of society and the result of the failure of society to adapt its social institution and culture to its growing seeds. In a simple word, some conditions which affects or threaten a well-being of society, then it is called social problems. Understand? And the result of the failure of a society to adopt its social institution and culture to its growing needs. Understand? Mainly, in a simple word, social problem means some conditions which affects or threaten a well-being society, then it is called social problems according to Green. According to Green's views, a social problem is a set of conditions. Understand? According to views of Green, a social problem is a set of conditions which are defined as morally wrong, understand, by the majority or substantial majority within a society. Now, classification of social problems. Social problems are three types: economic cause, poverty, unemployment, dependency. These are some types of social problems. Point to biopsychological cause, that is neurosis, epilepsy, psychosis, feeble mindedness, suicide, alcoholism. These are the some biopsychological cause. Understand? Point number 3, culture cause: aged, homeless, wounded, divorce, illegitimacy, juvenile delinquency. These type of crimes are the social problems. Understand?